Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. So in this interesting tutorial, I will show you how can you extract the cricket data. So this is the recent live match. So WTC final, you all know about World Test Championship final between India and Australia, and you can extract the live data or live score. So how can you do this? Before we start, just I want to see how it's work. So let's run this. So yes, you can see this tournament INTL test match, ICC World Test Championship, and you can extract many more data, but I just want to see this specified data. The live status: India trail Australia by 318 runs with 5 wicket remaining, and Australia innings this run 469 and innings over is 121.3, and in India innings run is 151 and India innings over is 38.0. So basically India innings run is 151 and wicket is 5, so over is 38. So India trail Australia by 318 run with 5 wickets remaining. So I just want to go to Google, and here I just check the score, cricket score. So you can see this 469 is the Australia score, and 151 for 5 it is the India score. So yes, the data is authenticate. So now how can we do this? Let's start. So here just create the file. So cricket underscore score.py. Okay, so delete this. This is the file. So here I want to use a very famous API. So at first go to the rapid API and the search for live score. So I will put this in the description box. I will put this link in the description box, just check it. So live score. So I already subscribed. So I will show you how can you do this. So I just copy this code and just manage subscription and just unsubscribe. Let me unsubscribe it, then I will subscribe again. So yes, this is the live score. I just unsubscribe. Yeah, so just pick a reason and unsubscribe. And yes, both the API I have to unsubscribe at first. So you have to log in and then you can subscribe it like this. So yes, this is the rapid API and search for the live score, and after the going this link, just log in, and now you can see this type of interface, subscribe to test. So just click on it, subscribe to test. So here you can see the subscribe for the basic 500 per month. So this is enough. You can use this in any of your project. You can build a website. I will show you how can you build the website with this data in the later video, but now I want to show you how can you extract the score. So go to the endpoints. So yes, this is the endpoint, and now just this is the live list live, and just click on list live, and now here you can see the node.js axios. So just scroll down and you can see the Python, and just Python and Python request. Click on Python request and you can see this code. So copy this code. So here your API key and the URL are there, so don't bother about that. So paste it here. So before this, I just want to show you from pp print import pp print, and so here I just cricket, cricket, cricket. Okay, so this is the cricket and time zone. Yeah, So here just type pp print, and now run it. So you can see the lot of data. So now you can see the lot of data here. So just scroll up, you can see the world test championship final. So yes, this is the all data. And now, yeah, stages, test series. Yes, so I need one thing, I need eid of this match. So eid is what? 949017. Remember this, 949017. This eid I will use it. So just delete this. And now here, before, I want to show you one thing more. So you can get the innings. So yes, the innings, you can see the category is cricket and the query string. So your query string is eid. So just copy this query, I will show you. So here the query string is this, but you have to change the query string. So eid, so you can see this eid is here, but you have to change the eid. Match eid is 949017. Okay, and save it, and just remove this upper query string and save it. And now you can see the lot of information, lots of information here. You can see the lots of information. Okay, so, oh sorry, this is the, yes, you can see the lots of information here. INTL in, you can see this, India trail Australia by 318 runs with 5 wicket remaining events. And yes, you can see the stumps day 2, and all of these things you can use it. But I don't wanna use these city things. So just go to Google again, and here innings, and you can also get the scoreboard. Yes, these thing I need scoreboard. But before scoreboard, you can get the commentary and you can get the lines. But I need scoreboard, so I just directly go to scoreboard. Otherwise, you can go to your code editor. Here just you can say list live. So you have to change list scoreboard, not list scoreboard, is get scoreboard, get, get dash, and after dash just type score, score board, scoreboard. Okay, so get scoreboard, and just print it. Yes, you can see the scoreboard is here. So yes, the status is India trail by Australia, 5 wicket remaining. And now you can scroll down STG. Inside the STG, you can see the international test cricket test series. What is the series name? Test series. And the match details, ICC World Test Champion Final. You can see this, and ICC World Test Championship Final inside the STG. And I will use this data. So here you can see the Australian innings and the Indian innings. Basically TR1, it is the innings, first innings of Australia. TR2, it is the second, that means the Indian innings. So now I use this data. So just scroll down, and here, so just backspace, list data equal response dot json. And now I want to print all of these things, print. At first I want to print the tournament. So tour in tournament, comma, and just type list data. And what is the tournament? The tournament name inside the STG. So you can see this STG, and tournament name is inside the STG and CCD. So just type STG, and inside the STG just type the CCD. You can copy from here or paste from here directly. So next after that, so match, about the match, so print match match. So now list data and stg and just print here. mm, the match is what you can print here, snm or sdn, anything. So I just print here sds. Okay, so don't do any spelling mistake, and just print, then just type live status. So what is the live status? Live status is in echo, so this is very simple. And just type list data and just copy this and paste it, and now print. Now I want to print the Australian innings. AUS Austra Australia innings, INNINGS, run runs, Australian innings runs. So yes, it is the, just scroll down, you can see here echo, and you can see here T1 T2. Where it is, man? Yes, this is the TR2CW. This is the, I think scroll is very fast. TR2CW1. So for this just type here, and the third bracket, but before this you have to type the list data, and just here type tr1c1, tr1, this tr2c2, this is the Indian innings. So tr1c1, tr1, and c is in capital, you can see here c1, tr1c1, this is the run. Now just copy it and paste it. So copy this and paste it. So now just for the wickets or over, overs. So for the overs you have to add o before one. So just add o before one, and now paste it. Wickets, wickets, wickets. So for the wickets you have to add w before one. Okay, so now just print the Indian innings. India innings run. India innings run, and for the India this is the second innings. So tier 2 C1, tier 2 C1, and this is the 2. You have to mention the 2 because this is the second batting, and this is the first batting for 1, tier 1 C1. I will put the code in the description, just check it and don't bother about that. So here just paste it, copy and paste it. Just copy this and paste it. Wicket, not wicket, over, overs, overs. And tier 2 for the overs you have to add o before 1, and for the wickets, 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 you have to add w before 1. So yes, all it is complete now. It works absolutely fine. So run it. Okay, so just delete it. List data response. Yes, save it at first and now run it. So you can see the tournament INTL test. The match is ICC World Test Championship final, and live status is Indian trail Australia by 318 runs with 5 wickets remaining. Australia innings around 469, and Australia innings over is 120, 1.3 wickets is 10, and India innings run is till now 151. You can get the live details from here, so you can use this is any website, you can use this in your any project. So yes, this is in the video. If you need more information then comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and just hit the like button and do the share. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.